One of the most compelling aspects of the Nissan Leaf is its fully electric powertrain. Unlike hybrid vehicles, the Leaf operates solely on electricity, producing zero tailpipe emissions. This means no gasoline engine, no exhaust system, and significantly lower environmental impact. The electric motor delivers instant torque, allowing smooth and quick acceleration from a standstill. This immediate power response makes city driving effortless and enjoyable. Drivers experience seamless acceleration without gear shifts, creating a refined and silent ride that distinguishes electric vehicles from traditional combustion engine cars. Battery technology is at the heart of the Nissan Leaf's success. Over successive generations, Nissan has enhanced battery capacity and energy density to provide longer driving range and improved performance. Modern versions of the Leaf offer competitive range figures suitable for daily commuting, shopping trips, school runs, and even longer highway drives. The battery pack is strategically mounted under the floor, lowering the vehicle's center of gravity and improving stability and handling. This design also maximizes interior cabin space, ensuring passengers enjoy ample legroom and comfort. Charging convenience is a major factor in electric vehicle adoption, and the Nissan Leaf addresses this with flexible charging options. Owners can charge the Leaf at home using a standard household outlet or a dedicated Level 2 wall charger for faster charging speeds. Public charging stations further enhance convenience, allowing drivers to recharge while shopping, working, or traveling. Fast charging capability enables significant battery replenishment in a relatively short time, making longer journeys more practical. The simplicity of plugging in overnight at home eliminates the need for regular fuel station visits, saving time and offering long-term cost benefits. Inside the cabin, the Nissan Leaf showcases a modern, driver-focused interior. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with a digital instrument cluster providing real-time information about battery level, energy consumption, range estimation, and driving efficiency. The infotainment system features a responsive touchscreen display supporting smartphone connectivity options such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These integrations allow drivers to access navigation, music, calls, and apps seamlessly, enhancing convenience and entertainment during daily drives. Comfort remains a strong point for the Nissan Leaf. Supportive seats, high-quality materials, and thoughtful ergonomics create a pleasant driving environment. The absence of engine noise contributes to a calm and peaceful cabin atmosphere, making long drives less fatiguing. Rear passengers benefit from adequate headroom and legroom, while the hatchback cargo area provides versatile storage for groceries, luggage, and everyday items. Folding rear seats expand cargo capacity, adding practicality for families and active lifestyles. Performance in the Nissan Leaf emphasizes smoothness and efficiency rather than aggressive sportiness. The electric motor provides linear power delivery, ensuring confident overtaking and merging on highways. Regenerative braking technology captures energy during deceleration and converts it back into stored electricity, improving overall efficiency. Drivers can often experience one-pedal driving, where lifting off the accelerator slows the vehicle significantly, reducing the need to use the brake pedal frequently. This innovative feature enhances control in stop-and-go traffic and maximizes energy recovery. Safety technology plays a critical role in the Nissan Leaf's appeal. Advanced driver assistance systems are integrated to enhance confidence behind the wheel. Features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert help prevent accidents and protect occupants. Nissan's ProPilot Assist system offers semi-autonomous driving support by helping maintain lane positioning and adaptive cruise control functionality on highways. These intelligent systems demonstrate Nissan's commitment to both innovation and safety in electric mobility. Cost efficiency is another major advantage of owning a Nissan Leaf. Electric vehicles generally have fewer moving parts compared to internal combustion engine vehicles, resulting in reduced maintenance requirements. There is no need for oil changes, spark plugs, or complex exhaust system repairs. Electricity as a fuel source is often more affordable than gasoline, depending on local energy prices. Over time, these savings contribute to a lower total cost of ownership. Government incentives and tax benefits in various regions further enhance affordability, encouraging more consumers to transition to electric driving. Environmental sustainability remains central to the Nissan Leaf's identity. By producing zero tailpipe emissions, the Leaf contributes to improved air quality in urban areas and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. As global awareness of climate change grows, electric vehicles like the Nissan Leaf represent practical solutions for reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Additionally, Nissan continues to invest in battery recycling programs and renewable energy initiatives, further strengthening the environmental credentials of the Leaf. Driving dynamics in the Nissan Leaf are tailored for comfort and confidence. The low center of gravity from the underfloor battery placement enhances cornering stability and reduces body roll. Steering is light yet responsive, making city maneuvering effortless. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections effectively, delivering a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Quiet electric operation enhances the premium feel, allowing passengers to enjoy conversations and music without intrusive engine noise. The evolution of the Nissan Leaf over the years reflects the rapid advancement of electric vehicle technology. Early models established the foundation, while newer versions refined styling, expanded driving range, and integrated more advanced connectivity and safety systems. Continuous improvements demonstrate Nissan's dedication to innovation and responsiveness to customer feedback. The Leaf remains competitive in a growing market filled with new electric vehicle options. When compared to traditional gasoline hatchbacks, the Nissan Leaf offers a fundamentally different driving experience. The absence of engine vibration, seamless acceleration, and eco-friendly performance create a new standard for everyday mobility. Charging infrastructure expansion worldwide further supports the practicality of electric vehicles. As more public charging stations become available, range anxiety decreases, making vehicles like the Nissan Leaf increasingly viable for diverse lifestyles. Technology integration is another strength of the Nissan Leaf. Smartphone apps allow remote monitoring of battery status, climate control activation, and charging scheduling. This means drivers can precondition the cabin temperature while the vehicle is still plugged in, preserving battery range for driving. Smart energy management systems help optimize charging times, potentially lowering electricity costs during off-peak hours. The Nissan Leaf also plays a broader role in the automotive industry's electrification movement. By demonstrating that electric vehicles can be affordable, practical, and reliable, it has influenced competitors and accelerated global EV adoption. Nissan's early commitment to mass-market electrification positioned the company as a pioneer in sustainable transportation. For urban dwellers, the Nissan Leaf offers an ideal solution. Its compact size makes navigating crowded streets easy, while instant torque ensures quick responses in traffic. Zero emissions align perfectly with city initiatives aimed at reducing pollution and promoting green transportation. Many metropolitan areas offer incentives such as reduced parking fees, carpool lane access, or exemption from congestion charges for electric vehicle owners, further enhancing the Leaf's appeal. Long-term reliability is a key consideration for any vehicle purchase. Nissan has continuously refined battery management systems to maintain performance and durability over time. Real-world usage data from years of global sales has provided valuable insights, allowing improvements in thermal management and software optimization. This commitment to refinement reinforces confidence in the Nissan Leaf as a dependable daily driver. In terms of resale value, electric vehicles are increasingly holding their value as demand grows and public perception shifts positively toward EV technology. The Nissan Leaf's established reputation, strong brand recognition, and widespread availability of service support contribute to sustained market demand. Looking toward the future, the Nissan Leaf symbolizes the transition toward intelligent mobility. As automotive technology advances with autonomous driving capabilities, connected car ecosystems, and renewable energy integration, the Leaf continues to adapt. Its success has inspired the development of additional electric models within Nissan's lineup, reinforcing the company's long-term electrification strategy. In conclusion, the Nissan Leaf represents more than just an electric hatchback, it embodies a transformative shift in transportation philosophy. Combining zero-emission performance, practical design, advanced safety technology, modern connectivity, and cost efficiency, the Nissan Leaf remains one of the most significant electric vehicles in automotive history. For drivers seeking an environmentally responsible, technologically advanced, and economically sensible vehicle, the Nissan Leaf stands as a compelling choice in the evolving world of electric mobility. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner represents one of the most important transformations in modern commercial aviation, redefining how long-haul aircraft are designed, built, and experienced by passengers and airlines alike. Conceived at the turn of the 21st century, the Dreamliner was born from a need for greater fuel efficiency, longer range, improved passenger comfort, and reduced environmental impact. As global air travel expanded and airlines sought more flexible routes connecting cities directly rather than relying solely on large hub airports, Boeing envisioned an aircraft that could fly farther with fewer passengers while consuming significantly less fuel. This vision shaped every aspect of the 787's development, from its groundbreaking materials to its advanced aerodynamics and innovative onboard systems. At the heart of the Dreamliner's identity is its extensive use of composite materials. Unlike previous commercial aircraft that relied primarily on aluminum alloys, the Boeing 787 is constructed with approximately 50% composite materials by weight, mainly carbon fiber reinforced polymers. This shift marked a major technological leap for the aviation industry. Composites are lighter than traditional metals, resistant to corrosion, and better at handling the repeated pressurization cycles experienced during flight. By reducing overall weight, these materials directly contribute to lower fuel consumption and improved performance. The smoother surfaces enabled by composite construction also enhance aerodynamic efficiency, allowing the aircraft to glide through the air with less drag. The Dreamliner's aerodynamic design is immediately recognizable, especially its elegantly curved wings with raked wingtips. These wings are not only visually striking but also highly functional. They are designed to flex upward during flight, adapting to changing aerodynamic loads and improving efficiency at cruising altitude. This natural wing flex reduces turbulence stress on the airframe and helps optimize lift across a wide range of flight conditions. Combined with advanced computational fluid dynamics used during design, the 787's wings play a crucial role in achieving its impressive fuel savings, which can be up to 20% more efficient than the aircraft it replaces. Powering the Boeing 787 are two of the most advanced jet engines ever developed for commercial aviation, the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 and the General Electric GEnx. Both engines were specifically designed for the Dreamliner, incorporating lightweight composite fan blades, advanced cooling systems, and high bypass ratios. These features allow the engines to deliver powerful thrust while consuming less fuel and producing lower emissions. The engines are also noticeably quieter, reducing noise pollution around airports and improving the experience for both passengers and communities near flight paths. The distinctive serrated edges, known as chevrons, on the engine nacelles further reduce noise by smoothing the mixing of exhaust air with the surrounding atmosphere. Beyond performance and efficiency, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner is celebrated for transforming the passenger experience. One of the most talked about features is its large windows, the largest of any commercial airliner. These windows allow significantly more natural light into the cabin and provide expansive views of the sky and landscape below. Instead of traditional window shades, the Dreamliner uses electrochromic dimming technology, enabling passengers to adjust window brightness electronically. This system helps maintain cabin comfort while preserving outside views, contributing to a more open and less claustrophobic environment. Cabin pressurization is another area where the Dreamliner sets new standards. Thanks to its composite fuselage, the 787 can maintain a lower cabin altitude, typically around 6,000 feet instead of the 8,000 feet common on older aircraft. This higher air pressure, combined with increased humidity levels, helps reduce passenger fatigue, dehydration, and discomfort during long-haul flights. Many travelers report feeling more refreshed upon arrival, even after spending many hours in the air. Improved air filtration systems and smoother airflow distribution also contribute to a healthier and more pleasant cabin atmosphere. Lighting inside the Dreamliner cabin is fully LED-based and highly customizable. Airlines can create different lighting moods for boarding, dining, relaxation, and sleep, often synchronized with the time of day at the destination. This dynamic lighting helps regulate passengers' circadian rhythms, easing the effects of jet lag. Subtle color transitions simulate sunrise and sunset, enhancing the overall sense of calm and well-being during flight. These features collectively elevate the experience beyond mere transportation, turning long journeys into more comfortable and enjoyable events. The cockpit of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner reflects the aircraft's advanced technological philosophy. It features large, high-resolution displays that provide pilots with comprehensive situational awareness. The flight deck integrates navigation, weather, and aircraft systems into intuitive interfaces, reducing pilot workload and enhancing safety. Advanced fly-by-wire systems replace traditional mechanical controls with electronic signals, allowing precise handling and automated adjustments that improve stability and efficiency. Pilots benefit from improved ergonomics, better visibility, and streamlined procedures, all of which contribute to safer and more efficient operations. From an operational standpoint, the Dreamliner has reshaped airline route planning. Its long range and fuel efficiency enable airlines to operate direct flights between cities that were previously unviable with larger aircraft. This point-to-point capability has opened new international routes, connecting secondary cities and reducing the need for passengers to transfer through major hubs. As a result, travelers enjoy shorter overall journey times, fewer connections, and greater convenience. Airlines benefit from increased flexibility, better matching capacity to demand, and the ability to explore new markets with reduced financial risk. Environmental considerations played a significant role in the development of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Lower fuel burn directly translates into reduced carbon dioxide emissions, making the aircraft more environmentally friendly than previous generations. The quieter engines and improved aerodynamics also reduce noise pollution, an increasingly important factor as airports face stricter regulations and growing public scrutiny. Boeing designed the Dreamliner to be compatible with sustainable aviation fuels, supporting the industry's broader push toward reducing its environmental footprint. These features position the 787 as a key contributor to more sustainable long-haul air travel. The journey to bring the Dreamliner into service was not without challenges. The program faced significant delays during development, largely due to the complexity of its global supply chain and the ambitious scope of its technological innovations. Boeing adopted a new production model, relying heavily on international partners to design and manufacture major sections of the aircraft. While this approach promised efficiency and cost savings, it also introduced coordination challenges that ultimately slowed progress. Despite these early setbacks, the Dreamliner successfully entered commercial service and has since proven its value to airlines worldwide. Since its introduction, the Boeing 787 family has expanded to include multiple variants, each tailored to different operational needs. The 787-8, the original version, offers a balance of range and capacity ideal for long, thin routes. The 787-9 features a stretched fuselage, providing additional seating capacity while maintaining excellent range. The largest variant, the 787-10, prioritizes capacity for high-demand routes, offering airlines the ability to carry more passengers efficiently on medium to long-haul flights. This family approach allows airlines to select the variant that best aligns with their network strategies. Passenger feedback has played a major role in shaping the Dreamliner's reputation. Many travelers actively seek out flights operated by the Boeing 787, citing its quieter cabin, smoother ride, and improved comfort. The combination of larger windows, better air quality, and advanced lighting creates a noticeable difference compared to older aircraft types. For frequent flyers, these benefits can significantly enhance the overall travel experience, especially on long journeys where comfort becomes increasingly important. The Dreamliner's impact extends beyond commercial aviation into broader aerospace innovation. Its success validated the extensive use of composite materials in large aircraft, influencing the design of subsequent models across the industry. Competing manufacturers adopted similar approaches, accelerating technological progress and raising standards for efficiency, comfort, and sustainability. The lessons learned from the 787 program continue to inform aircraft development, shaping the future of air travel. In the context of global aviation trends, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner arrived at a pivotal moment. Airlines faced rising fuel costs, increasing competition, and growing environmental concerns. Passengers demanded more comfort and convenience, while regulators imposed stricter emissions and noise standards. The Dreamliner addressed these challenges holistically, offering a solution that balanced economic viability with environmental responsibility and passenger satisfaction. Its versatility made it suitable for a wide range of markets, from major international routes to emerging long-haul connections. Maintenance and reliability are also central to the Dreamliner's appeal. Advanced onboard diagnostic systems continuously monitor aircraft performance, allowing maintenance teams to identify potential issues before they become serious problems. This predictive maintenance approach reduces downtime, improves dispatch reliability, and lowers operating costs. Airlines benefit from higher aircraft availability, while passengers enjoy fewer delays and cancellations. The use of corrosion-resistant composite materials further reduces maintenance requirements over the aircraft's lifespan. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner has also influenced airline branding and marketing strategies. Many carriers highlight the aircraft as a premium offering, emphasizing its modern design and passenger-friendly features in advertising campaigns. Cabin interiors are often customized with distinctive color schemes, seating configurations, and onboard entertainment systems, allowing airlines to differentiate their products while leveraging the Dreamliner's inherent advantages. This flexibility supports both full-service and premium-focused airline models. As air travel continues to evolve, the Dreamliner remains highly relevant. Its adaptability allows airlines to respond to changing market conditions, whether by adjusting capacity, opening new routes, or optimizing existing ones. The aircraft's efficiency makes it well-suited to periods of fluctuating demand, providing a balance between operational cost control and service quality. In an industry where margins are often thin, such versatility is invaluable. Looking ahead, the legacy of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner is already firmly established. It demonstrated that bold innovation, while risky, can yield transformative results. By challenging conventional aircraft design and embracing new technologies, Boeing created an aircraft that not only met the needs of its time but also set the direction for the future of commercial aviation. The Dreamliner's influence will continue to be felt as airlines, manufacturers, and passengers alike benefit from the advancements it introduced. In many ways, the Dreamliner symbolizes the modern era of air travel. It reflects a shift toward efficiency, sustainability, and passenger-centric design, acknowledging that successful aviation depends on more than just speed and capacity. Comfort, environmental responsibility, and operational flexibility are now equally important, and the Boeing 787 integrates these elements into a cohesive and compelling whole. Its presence in skies around the world serves as a reminder of how innovation can reshape an entire industry. The story of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner is ultimately a story of ambition and progress. From its revolutionary materials and engines to its refined cabin environment and expanded route possibilities, the aircraft embodies a forward-looking approach to aviation. It connects people and places more efficiently and comfortably than ever before, supporting global mobility while striving to minimize its environmental impact. As new generations of aircraft emerge, the Dreamliner will be remembered as a milestone that helped usher in a new chapter of long-haul flight, one defined by smarter design, enhanced comfort, and a more sustainable vision for the future of air travel.